Got old Zach here in his truck, Jonathan in his Jeep.
Oh boy.
Just don't hit your big, go right through your big ruts. Just as soon as your front tires hit the water, get after it. Get on it. Okay. You better swing way out over here.
Slanging in. Not to do that.
What? What, was his four-wheel drive working? His four-wheel drive ain't working.
I don't think he...
Shit.
Yeah, I put it full that time.
Okay.
I had to back up to get it.
If you're gonna creep through, stay over here towards the middle.
Hear me? I had to back up to get it in.
Right there it's not. Over there it is. Oh, that one? No.
Hey, I want to back right there, big Chris.
I don't think so.
That'd be a little fuck going through there.
Tell me you better get out of the way, honey. What are you doing?
I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm in four-wheel drive.
What, it turned funny?
What?
Was steering funny?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's four-wheel drive, son. Yeah.
That's why it's so creepy and first. That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. I gotta put it back in two-wheel drive when I come out. It's too easy. See that big hole?
Yeah.
That's what I hit coming out of there. I was like, dang, what was that?
It's driving the deep.
I hit my head on it.
Yeah, you kind of hit it a little hard, didn't you?
First time I went through there, you didn't see me. I hit this thing hard. Jack told me, dude.
I didn't expect it to take off like that. Not bad with street tires. Oh Lord. Four-wheel drive definitely works. Tell him to go low, he'll come right up out of there. If you'll go to low, you'll come right out of there. You might want to roll your windows up. God. I don't know about this two-wheel drive and the little Jeep with the street tires now.